Welcome to Metro Lexus. I'm Danae Jones, Finance Director. Please take a quick look at this video for the Lexus Luxury Care for your prepaid maintenance needs.
Ryan.
Hey, John.
How was your weekend?
Great, thank you.
Good.
I hear we have some updates. What's the progress?
Great news. With all our pre-planning, we locked in prices for both phases.
Excellent. Let's take a look.
It's constructive to plan ahead, including planning for the maintenance of your new Lexus. Lexus Luxury Care through your participating dealer and Lexus Financial Services offers prepaid maintenance plans that make factory-recommended maintenance as convenient as possible in your busy life. A variety of plan options are available to help suit your lifestyle. No matter which you choose, you'll prepay for tomorrow's maintenance at today's prices, and you'll help keep your Lexus performing at its best. Lexus certified technicians will perform your regular oil and filter changes, tire rotations, and additional services in your Lexus warranty and services guide. Depending on the plan you choose, major factory recommended services may also be covered.
Looks like you got everything covered. Let's talk about the next one.
Absolutely.
Plan ahead with Lexus Luxury Care Prepaid Maintenance through your participating dealer and Lexus Financial Services.
So come home to Metro Lexus and discover for yourself what Experience Amazing really means.